On a quiet winter morning, Leo wrapped his scarf around his neck, while Toto, his little brown dog, waited eagerly for their adventure to begin.
So, you've just seen that amazing story video and you might be thinking, wow, this looks so professional, probably created by a big production team with expensive software. Here's the truth. I created the entire video using just one free tool and a single simple prompt. No editing, no complicated software, no money spent, just one prompt and the right AI tool. And the best part? You can do it too. This tool lets you create any type of content, whether it's children's stories, educational videos, or cinematic animations. And it's not limited to short clips. You can easily generate videos up to 30 minutes or more from a single prompt. But here's what makes it truly special. Most AI tools struggle with character consistency. The faces, outfits, or styles change from scene to scene. Not with this one. This tool maintains characters perfectly, giving your story a smooth, clean, and professional flow every time. It's also incredibly fast. One click, and your video is ready. That's why it's perfect for creating viral content, growing your audience, and building a channel. And yes, all of this content is fully monetizable. You've probably seen faceless YouTube channels getting millions of views. Well, now it's your turn. This tool makes starting your own channel not only possible, but simple, even if you're a complete beginner. Think of today's video as a mini masterclass. I'll walk you step by step, from writing one prompt to creating a full-length professional video. It's easy, it's fast, and it's fun. So, stick around, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to start creating your own viral monetized videos, just like the one you watched earlier. So, let's begin the method of creating a special story for children. Here is the website. I'll leave the link for you below in the description box. As you can see, the site is simple but truly amazing, even better than Magic Light. It offers a free plan that allows you to create a complete story for free, as well as a paid plan. The site has two main sections. The first is dedicated to creating images or characters from scratch. The second is for generating videos if you already have a ready-made story, for example, one you extracted from ChatGPT. So, first, we'll go to Login to register and create our account. We'll head here to get the email, then return here and click on Username. Enter your email here, then click Send Code. The code will be sent, and we'll use temp mail to receive it. Here it is. It has arrived. We'll copy it, return to the website, paste the code here, and click Create Account. Now you'll receive 500 credits, enough to create a full video or story for free. Next, we'll go to ChatGPT to generate a complete story. After that, we'll bring it back into the site. Here, I'll paste the prompt in ChatGPT to generate a professional quality story. As you can see, ChatGPT has created the story. We'll copy it and then return to the website to generate the images for the story. Next, we click on the AI video generator icon, then Start Now. These steps are explained in their tutorial videos. Here you'll see two options, Basic Script and Smart Script. The Smart Script allows the site to generate the script for you automatically, but in our case, we don't want that option. Then we'll choose between Landscape or Portrait mode. We'll select Landscape, then paste the story we generated from ChatGPT. Note that the text should not exceed 3,000 characters. The site offers both free and paid plans. The free plan allows up to 1 minute, while the paid plan gives you up to 30 minutes. But as I said at the beginning of the video, we'll rely only on the free methods. This means we'll use this site just to generate the story and images, and then we'll move elsewhere to complete the process. So, make sure you watch this video until the end to learn the full free method. You won't need to pay anything. Of course, if you choose to subscribe, you'll be able to generate up to 30 minutes of video with a single prompt. Here we'll select 3D cartoon, then click Next. There are only 4 steps to create a complete story on this site. After that, the site will show you the story steps, review them, and if you want to make changes, you can click Edit. Then we press Next. Now, here are the characters. If they don't appear like this, just click Autocast, and the characters will be displayed as you see here. In other words, these are the main characters of the story. Look at the quality of the images. They remain consistent throughout the story, which is one of the most important features of this site. This site is similar to Magic Light, or even better. It's not completely free, but it does give you the chance to create a full story at no cost. Just follow along carefully, and as promised, we'll also use other free websites to finish the story you saw at the beginning of this video. So keep watching, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with friends so that everyone benefits. The site is still generating the images of the story. We'll wait until we have all of them, and then we'll animate them. However, in this site's free plan, we won't be able to animate all the images because the credits will run out before we finish. But don't worry, as I promised you at the start, we'll use another free method to animate all of the images. As you can see, here's the beginning of the story. Let's press Animate. First, we'll choose the type of animation. I'll leave all these settings as they are. Then click Animate. You'll notice that some icons are marked. These belong to the paid plan. We'll choose the option that works with the free plan, then press Confirm. Now I'll animate the images. But as I said, the credits won't be enough to animate all of them. Still, we'll rely on another free method to complete the full story. Here's the video after animating the first image. Then we'll move to the second image, press Animate, choose the same option, and here's the second image animated. Then the third, and so on. The credits will be enough for 3 animations. But by the fourth image, when we press Animate, the site will ask us to upgrade to a paid plan because the credits are finished. So we have 2 options. Either click Next and keep the unanimated images static with VoiceOver, or use my personal method, the secret I'll share with you in this video. What I usually do is download all the images and animate them in another free tool. So let's download all these images now. A tip for you, give them numbers from start to finish so you don't get confused. I've already organized, as you can see, image 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now let's go to the tool we'll use to animate these images for free. This is the tool where we'll animate the images. I'll leave its link below in the description box. When you register for the first time, you'll get 300 credits, and then every day you'll receive 180 credits, enough to create videos. This tool is one of the best for turning images into videos with AI. We'll click Create, then upload the image we want. Here's the first image. I'll click here. And as I explained before, I'll go back to ChatGPT to generate prompts for animating the images and also prompts for voiceover. As you can see, ChatGPT gave me exactly what I asked for, prompts for animation and prompts for voiceover. Now I'll animate all the images and come back to you so the video doesn't get too long. After animating all the images, we'll return once more to ChatGPT to get the prompts for voiceover. Then we'll go to 11 Labs to select a suitable voice for this type of story. As you can hear, we selected this one. It fits perfectly. I'll click here, and choose it. Then I'll return to ChatGPT to copy all the voiceover prompts and paste them here. After that, I'll click Generate. And here we go. This is the voiceover we'll use for our beautiful story. Isn't it amazing? So, after converting all the images into videos using this fantastic free tool, and after adding the voiceover, now we move to the final stage of video production, editing, using the well-known tool CapCut. Let's go. And that's it, my friends. We have reached the result I promised you at the very beginning. A complete children's story, created 100% with free tools. From generating the story in ChatGPT to creating the images, animating them, adding the voiceover, and finally editing everything together. As you've seen, it's not complicated at all. In fact, it's fun, and the results look professional, just like the kind of content produced by entire teams using expensive software. You can do it too and create your own amazing stories and videos. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to support us. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss new tutorials. Share this video with your friends so that everyone benefits. And let me know in the comments, what is the first idea or story you'll turn into a video after watching this tutorial? See you in the next video, where we'll explore more free and smart methods to produce professional content.
On a quiet winter morning, Leo wrapped his scarf around his neck, while Toto, his little brown dog, waited eagerly for their adventure to begin. Together, they stepped into the snowy world, where every snowflake danced, and every step left a tiny print in the white blanket. The forest lay silent under a blanket of snow, glistening in the gentle light as they wandered deeper and deeper. At last, they reached a clearing so bright and beautiful, it looked as if the snow itself was made of tiny stars. From behind a tree, a curious squirrel peeked out, its eyes wide with wonder. A gentle rabbit hopped closer, its soft ears swaying in the chilly air. From above, 3 bright birds fluttered down, their cheerful song filling the clearing. The animals gathered around and welcomed Leo and Toto to their snowy playground. They played together, tossing snowballs, building snow friends, and laughing in the heart of the forest. Together they even built a snow dinosaur that looked just like Toto. When playtime ended, the animals gathered to thank Leo and Toto for the wonderful day. With warm hearts, Leo and Toto waved goodbye and began their walk home through the peaceful forest. That night, by the fire, they smiled, dreaming of snowy forests and the friends who waited there.